Okay, let's start with another infinite series. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus and so on. So then we should have 5, 6 with the plus and minus alternating, which equals to 1 over 4. Let's see why. We can, like in the previous episodes, we saw 3 methods to extract the value. One is via graphic histogram in particular. Then we have the numerical method. Let's start with the numerical one. So we have 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus, okay, and this is x. Okay, actually I think we have two important and easy methods to do this. The first is like this. We put the same series below with a 0 in the first place. This is a minus. This is still x. Vertical sum 1 minus 1 plus 1. We get this as a vertical sum. Okay, sometimes I make some mistakes with the number because I'm writing fast. Okay, but this is equal to 1 over 2, as we saw in a previous episode. So x equals 1 over 4. This is one method. The other method is this. Is very similar. We can see that this, well, actually rewriting this like this, this can be written as a sum of this plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. It's the same thing. Actually, this is better, but we can be more artistic, which is 1 over 2. So this is x. So 1 minus x plus a half equals x. A half minus x equals x equals 1 over 4. Okay, this is the another way, but it's very similar to this. This is the most important, and we can notice this is the sliding sum method. One place of with 0 in the first place. Let's now see the graphic demonstration with the histogram. Last time I said that the line graph is not very good, but this time it's like in 1 minus 1 plus 1, also easy and useful to watch it. But the histogram is always good. The line graph, I think it's good only for stable series. I think, I'm not sure, but let's see both of them. But the histogram graph, it's more correct, because the line graph sometimes does not give the real value. 1 minus 2. This is actually a bit more complex because we have greater values. I should have some squares to a grid. Actually, there is also the graph on Wikipedia, so maybe let's watch that. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. I'm not drawing it very good, but if we draw the middle point of each segment, 1 minus 2 plus 3, this is wrong. Okay. 1, I use 2 squares to draw 1, so this is the unit. 1 minus 2 plus 3, which is here, minus 4, okay, still shaky, but if we draw the middle points of each segment, we notice that this is the end here. This is 1 minus 2 plus 3, so 1, 2, 3. This is the middle point. Then we have minus 4. This is the middle point. Okay, we draw the middle points of each segment. But the middle point of the segment which connects every middle point that we have now already found, we notice that it's 1/4, because this is the unit, so this is a half, this is 1/4. So the average, the line which cuts the graph, stays on 1/4. And we can see this even better with the line graph, the histogram graph. We have the null partial sum, plus 1. Then we have minus 1, minus 2, 1 minus 2. So we can do this too. Okay. Then we have plus 3. And minus 4. And the rule is draw the middle point of all horizontal steps, then connect them, and then with iteration draw the middle points of each of these segments, and so on. And we notice the same thing, 1/4. So there is also a graphical method to extract the value 1/4. Perfect. So 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus and so on equals 1/4. If this is the first time you watch this video, I know this is not an equal. I'm not doing math. This is heuristic math, but maybe also not math, just heuristic, just some fun. But to this series, we can associate a value 1/4. Okay, let's make a recap of all what we studied in the previous lessons. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on. I'm not putting the last sign, and I put immediately the dots. Let's remake this. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 a half. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 2. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, 1/4. This last sign I'm not putting just for quick writing. Okay, and sometimes I just write a line, a small line here, because it's faster than all the dots. Okay. In the next video, we will see the famous series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on, which gives minus 1 over 12, which is actually very interesting because this is a very elegant way, just all numbers, all natural numbers, and we have 12. 12, which is also an esoteric, magical number, 12 months, 12 signs, astrological signs, very famous in all culture, 12, which is also 2 times 3 times, no, I'm not, it's the number which is which can be divided for 2, 3 and 4, and these are very important number. And it's 3 times 4, but 4 is 2 times 2. Okay, see you next video.